Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Well, Valentine Day is just around the corner, so today I'm going to show you how to ice a vanilla cupcake for Valentine's Day using fondant icing. We are going to use the super moist vanilla cupcake from the previous video, so I will put the link just below the video. This will be a perfect homemade gift for your special Valentine this Valentine Day. So we have here in front of us, of course, the vanilla cupcake that's been baked, and we have the fondant icing. You can buy them ready-made. We need red color, yellow, brown, and pink. So you can also buy them in white and add in food coloring if you can't find them in ready-made color. And about half cup icing sugar, about 30 to 50 ml of water. We're going to make this into paste for pasting the fondant on top of the cupcake. Then we have the different cutter, the alphabet one, and two different size of round, some different heart-shaped cutter, flower, some decoration on top. You can get different heart shape on top, and this super sugar post, silver post that we're going to put on top, and the cutter. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to add in the water to make the paste. Just add in a little bit at a time until you have the paste not too runny. So it's this consistency. Okay, so now it's all ready. So we are going to roll out some pink fondant. I think just roll them out. Gonna cut using the round cutter and cut up 4 of that. You're just gonna put the paste, icing paste on top, brush it on top before you put the cover the cupcake with the fondant. Just put on top. Now we're going to roll out some red fondant icing for the heart shape. Just make sure your roller hasn't got other color. There you go. So that's our first Valentine design cupcake. So the next design, we're going to roll out another circle in the middle. So using a bit of water, brush that, and just going to put on top. So here we go. Here's the second heart Valentine. And now we're going to roll out red to cover the fondant. we're gonna roll up some pink fondant, and I'm gonna cut up some lettering. So now we are going to glue that on. Just put some water on top and just stick it on. Do the same for this. Now we are going to roll up some pink icing and going to cut some flowers. There we go, another design. So now we're going to roll out some chocolate fondant. So now we're just going to roll out some plain icing. We're going to do another 2 circles for 2 of the cupcake. I'm going to cut out some off. So now we are going to arrange how we want it. Okay, so now we can glue it together. So here you go, there's another design. So here you go, here's our Valentine Day cupcake, all ready with 6 different designs. So here is our Valentine Day cupcake iced with fondant icings with 6 different designs. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time. Happy Valentine's Day!